Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Kitchen, where fresh delicious recipes help you relax, unwind and enjoy every moment in the kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a cold green grape gazpacho with cucumber and basil, light, healthy and refreshing. In a blender, add green grapes, peeled cucumber, small garlic, basil, olive oil, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Blend everything until smooth. This soup is naturally hydrating and full of antioxidants, vitamin C and healthy fats. Pour it into small glasses and finish with sliced grapes and cucumber for a fresh, pretty touch. Enjoy!